a bracket has become loose from the tooth and is spinning around on the wire and bothering the patient, the bracket door may be opened to remove the bracket from the arch wire. At the top of the bracket, there is a little space for a small instrument to be inserted to push the bracket door down to open it. The end of a fork prong may be used, or a small tool from an eyeglass adjustment kit. After the bracket is removed, save it and bring it into the next visit so we can rebond it. Call us and let us know if the patient has a bracket off. The patient may be able to wait until their next scheduled visit, or an additional visit may be needed. If the wire is poking in the back and it is turned in at a 90-degree angle, push the wire from the back to the other side. After it is pushed to the other side, it should be a comfortable length on each side. If it is still too long on both sides, call the office to schedule an appointment. If the wire is not turned in and is simply poking out the back of the bracket, it may be clipped at home using cuticle cutters to make the patient comfortable. If the wire is too thick to be clipped at home, call to schedule an appointment and use wax until it can be clipped.